Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Explore the World. I'm Hamza, and today, we're embarking on an exciting journey as we kickstart our Iceland series. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure as we explore the captivating city of Reykjavík, Iceland. This is the first part of our Iceland series, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with upcoming episodes. Reykjavík, the world's northernmost capital, is a city that effortlessly blends modernity with its rich Viking heritage. With a population of around 130,000, it's a vibrant and dynamic city filled with history and culture. Our first stop is Hallgrímskirkja, one of Reykjavík's most famous landmarks. This towering church offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city from its observation deck. The architectural marvel was inspired by Iceland's natural landscapes, making it a must-visit spot for photographers and history enthusiasts alike. As we stroll down to the old harbor, you'll feel the charm of this maritime city. The harbor area is bustling with activity, offering an array of restaurants, cafes, and shops. It's also the perfect starting point for various boat tours, including whale watching and puffin excursions. Reykjavík's Harpa Concert Hall is a stunning architectural masterpiece. Its glass facade reflects Iceland's natural beauty, and inside, it hosts various concerts, events, and exhibitions. If you're a fan of the arts, this is the place to be. Next, we head to Jornin, a picturesque lake located in the heart of Reykjavík. It's surrounded by charming parks and gardens, making it an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll. The nearby city center offers a vibrant atmosphere with numerous shops, restaurants, and cafes to explore. To learn more about Iceland's fascinating history and culture, we visit the National Museum of Iceland. This museum houses a remarkable collection of artifacts and exhibits, taking you on a journey through Iceland's past and present. Laugavegur Street is Reykjavík's main shopping district and a hub for local boutiques, souvenir shops, and vibrant street art. It's the perfect place to find unique gifts and immerse yourself in the city's lively atmosphere. As the sun sets, we head to the Sun Voyager sculpture, an iconic landmark symbolizing dreams of exploration and hope. It offers a breathtaking view of the sunset over the North Atlantic, creating a memorable and picturesque moment. To experience Iceland's rural past, we visit the Arbogjarson Open-Air Museum. This living museum showcases historical buildings, giving visitors a glimpse of traditional Icelandic architecture and the way of life in the past. Reykjavík City Pond, or Jornin, is not only a beautiful spot but also a popular gathering place for local birds. During different seasons, you can spot various bird species, making it a great location for birdwatching enthusiasts. No travel guide is complete without exploring the local cuisine. We indulge in some traditional Icelandic dishes, such as hakarl, fermented shark, Icelandic hot dogs, and skyr, a delicious dairy product. Our adventure wouldn't be complete without a relaxing visit to the Blue Lagoon. This geothermal spa's milky blue waters are not only rejuvenating but also set amid a stunning volcanic landscape. Although we didn't witness it this time, the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are a breathtaking natural phenomenon that can be seen in Iceland during the winter months. It's an incredible spectacle and a dream come true for many travelers. And that's a wrap for our first part of the Iceland series. Reykjavík has been an incredible experience so far, and we're only getting started. Be sure to join us in the upcoming episodes as we explore more of this fascinating country. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow adventurers. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you won't miss our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, and see you soon.